Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is DIY remedies for you. So on today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare a healthy potato porridge without using oil. If this is what you want to see, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So let's just hop into that. When you call me, is it gonna go? So my potato has already been peeled. I'm adding it already to the pot that I'm going to use to prepare the meal. Okay, after this I'm going to go ahead to add a bit of salt to boil it together before I go ahead to add any other ingredient I'm going to use in making the food. So some of the ingredients I'm going to use today, one is spinach. I'm going to use spinach, and I'm going to add onions as well. I love using red onions to cook because of its taste. Okay, so while the food cook, I will go ahead to slice the spinach. I like to slice my spinach. I don't want to leave it to be too, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't like to add it that way. Okay, so I'll go ahead to slice them, and yeah, and see what we'll add next. Okay, so the onions has been sliced. I'll go ahead to add them to the pot. Another thing I'm going to add at this stage is going to be my broccoli. Okay, my kids, they love broccoli a lot, and I like adding it to some of the things I cook for them. So what I'm holding there is tomato soup. Okay, it's in sachet form. If you want to take this alone, you can drink it. It's absolutely awesome when you drink it like that with a piece of bread. But that's what I'm going to use to make this food today. Sorry, pardon me guys, I lost my voice. I'm trying to get it back and it's disturbing me. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so I go ahead to pour the 3 sachets in a bowl and go ahead to use hot water to dissolve it. You don't put it that way in your pot so that they will not form lump. Okay, I melt it first before I go ahead to pour it inside the pot. So after then, I'll go ahead to add the carrot. The carrot, I slice it a bit thick, because I'm going to boil it. I don't want it to be that too soft that you will not see it again. Okay, I'm going to make it very tender because of the little one. And yeah, after here I'll go ahead to add the black pepper and cover it to boil a bit for like 2 to 3 minutes before I go ahead to add any other thing. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up, share it to any of your social media. I will really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching. So as you can see, the little one is already bringing her plate for me to dish out her own meal. Okay, not knowing that the food is not ready yet. Okay, she likes food a lot, and whenever she's not eating in the house, I know that something is wrong with her. She's not feeling well. Okay, so I'll go ahead to reduce the gas so that the pot will not get burnt. And yeah, I will check if the potato is tender. If not, I'll allow it to boil a bit, but if it is, I'll go ahead to add, I think, our spinach. So I will go ahead to cover the pot. I'm not going to stir it. I will allow the spinach to steam, go down before I go ahead to stir it together. So as you can see, the spinach has gone down. I go ahead to stir them together, making sure that they are well mixed. Okay, it's so delicious. Those are sachet soup that I used are very good, and the calories content are so low, 76 per sachet, and it's 200 ml per sachet. So you can try it. It's so good. So this is my potato porridge. If you like it, to give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed, consider hitting on the subscription button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload. Please comment and share. Bye for now, and see you on my next video.